If you're participating in an ASP Be Your Own Defender class, you're going to come away armed with proven skills and knowledge that will help keep you safe. You'll also come away armed with this exclusive 9-piece training kit. Let's take a look at what's inside this slick magnetic closure box. First is the training manual that accompanies your course. This curriculum was designed, tested, and refined by law enforcement defensive tactics trainers based on real street experience. Next is the Defender OC device itself. The training kit includes our Sport model. It's sleek, discreet, and lightweight, yet street tough and built to last. It features a faceted barrel for a sure grip, solid brass actuator, quick release safety, and a durable pocket clip. The Sport Defender accepts our unique, replaceable insert cartridges, and there are 4 of those included with this kit. One is a clear insert, which is a non-functioning canister that allows you to practice Defender techniques without any spray coming out of the device. Those of you familiar with firearms training can think of it as dry fire practice. Then you've got 2 test inserts, which feature an inactive spray that allows you to train with full realism. You can discharge the device and see the cone-shaped mist cloud it creates without putting any irritants in the air. Finally, upon completion of your class, you'll be given the live insert that we call HEAT. This is police-grade pepper spray with 1.33% major capsaicinoids, the industry maximum. The HEAT insert is what you'll carry in your Defender on the street. It's a good idea to replace your HEAT insert every year or any time it is discharged to ensure that you have maximum aerosol spray pressure when you need it. Also in the kit is a piercing alert whistle on a breakaway safety lanyard. Loud whistles are proven to help deter an assailant while signaling to others that help is needed. Finally, there's our exclusive ROSE key tag. This die-cast metal tag features the ROSE acronym on one side as a reminder of the Defender training core principles: react, observe, spray, and escape. On the other side is a unique serial number that you register with ASP. If your key tag and anything attached to it is ever lost, whoever finds it can just drop it in a mailbox. If you've registered it, it will come to us and we'll get it back to you free of charge. So there's a peek inside the training kit. It's one of the things that makes the ASP OC program unlike any other personal defense training you've ever experienced. Now get ready to take your class and be your own defender.